Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and this is the Redify jump rope. The most important thing for me is that the rope doesn't twist or tangle when I'm jumping, because the way it's designed, the bearings spin smoothly without much effort. I love jumping rope as an extra cardio training after a workout, or also as a warm-up before a workout. And this has been a great rope to do all of that. The handles are made out of foam material, so it's very comfortable and easy to hold, but at the same time, it's very breathable material, so it doesn't get sweaty even after jumping for a while. The length of it, it's very easy to adjust, so both me and my wife can use the same rope. We just take a couple seconds to adjust the height. This has really been a great addition to my workout routine. And that is my point of view.